This is a fully automatic roll forming machine with decoiler, leveler, hydraulic punching, main roll forming machine, hydraulic cutoff and bending table. It completely upgrades traditional production modes. Cold roll forming machine shapes metal coils continuously with precise roller stations. It features energy-saving operation, stable forming accuracy, and high material utilization. Forming tolerance stays within plus or minus 0.2 millimeters. Every finished cabinet keeps consistent dimensions. This type of machine is also fitted with a bending table. It enables automatic bending. Only one worker needs to monitor the whole line for each work shift. This production line reaches an efficiency of about 100 to 120 pieces per hour. That is 3 to 5 times higher than traditional production methods.